Hello, welcome friend to the Protractor tutorials. So today we are going to see how we can run our Protractor first program. Okay, so I'm assuming that you know these commands: Protractor installation and webdriver-manager update and webdriver-manager start, and you know the configuration file. So we need one configuration file and one test case file, specification file as a basic. So the configuration file will have us to link to the test case file, that is specification file, and has a um, configuration to connect with the Selenium server. So Selenium address we have to give. Okay, so this is a basic spec file written in Jasmine. Okay, so basically we can run a protractor in three ways. Okay, one is WebDriver Manager. We can start independently and give a Selenium address. Second is we don't need to give a Selenium address to the configuration, and Protractor itself create a standalone server. Okay, and third is use direct connect feature of Protractor. With the help of that, we can connect with the Chrome or Firefox driver. So one by one, we will going to see this. Okay, first I have Selenium address, so that is connect with our Selenium server. So first I will going to explain how I have created the project. So you can just go to the file, new project, select a project and give a project name. Okay, this project has created, and then you can add a configuration.js file and one specification.js file. So this code I have given, I have taken from a Protractor site. Okay, the sample code they have given, and it has one test case suite, and it has one it block with one test case. It will connect with the angular.js website and perform one operation in to-do list to add one to-do list. Okay, so how we can run? So the first we have to start WebDriver manager server, WebDriver server. So the command is okay. The server has started at this port, so therefore we have given this localhost 4444 host number as a Selenium address. Okay, so we can go to the terminal of our project here, and we can run our command protractor conf.js. It will connect with the localhost, that server we have created. Okay, the code is running. Here it has connected to the server, and the test case has passed. The second way is we don't need this Selenium address. Okay, I will save this code. And the Protractor is itself creating a server. So I will just close this server. Okay, now just see. Now the Protractor will create itself a server. It has created at this location. Okay, and the test case is going to execute. It is quick. You barely say that what is happening over there. Okay, so this is the second way, and third way we have to use direct connect. Okay, the syntax we can write in the specification file. Sorry, in configuration file as a direct connect true. So it will by default connect with Chrome driver. Okay, and here you can say you can see that using Chrome driver directly. So the previously it is creating on server Selenium server. Now it's not going to create any server. Okay, these are the three ways, and you can create your loader file or configuration. This command you can load using a trigger you can create a bat file. So that I will show you in next videos. Okay, so please watch my this Protractor series, and if you have any issues then please comment, and please share to support this channel and subscribe. Thank you.